Welcome to our video about the Nevado del Ruiz volcano. What it is Nevado del Ruiz volcano? The Nevado del Ruiz volcano is an imposing active volcano located in the central range of the Colombia Andes. It is characterized by a snow-covered summit and fumarolic crater. Where is located? The Nevado del Ruiz volcano is situated in the Los Nevados Natural Park in the department of Caldas, Colombia, approximately 129 kilometers west of Bogota, the capital city of the country. What is important? The importance of the Nevado Ruiz volcano lies in the role as Colombia's most active volcano and its influence on surrounding ecosystem. Additionally, its eruption 1985 has devastating impact on the region, marking on the most tragic natural disasters in the country's history. What kind of plant and animal can we there? Despite the extreme conditions, the Nevado Ruiz volcano harbors unique biodiversity. We can find a variety of plant species adapted to the altitude, such as frailejones and lychee. The working fauna, the under Congo, and respectively, we are some of the emblematic species inhabiting this area. So you are it. The Nevado Ruiz volcano is symbol of both natural beauty and the unpredictable for the mother natural. Its history and environment of the fascinating grip into to relationship between humanity and the environment.